Okay, these are the 3 currently available flavors for the pure protein chocolate bars, or I should say protein health bars. And I've been through all 3 of them, and I just want to give you a rundown of which one you might want to choose if you're in a position where you have to choose them, because they're all pretty good. The peanut butter one here is the one I prefer most because I just love the idea of peanut butter and chocolate. And this one also has the least amount of added sugar, 20 grams of protein. The chocolate one has a little bit more protein in it, a very rich chocolatey vibe. And last, this is least in my ranking, is this 3 grams of added sugar, 20 grams of protein, chewy chocolate chip bar. So that's my personal ranking. These bars overall, one thing that's notable about them is they're not very sweet. And the reason they're not very sweet is because they're quite large, I think, considering that they have so much chocolate in them. The chocolate itself, though, again, not very sweet, but it does fill you up. So I think that's a plus for it, and especially if you're not a person that likes these over sweetened, and it might not be sweetened with sugar, it might be sweetened with other things like lakanto or monk fruit, I should say, and stevia, that kind of thing. And this one, I'm not sure what the content is. You can read that on the actual label, but it also has 200 calories for a non-sweet bar, so it's pretty big. Now, I want to compare this to, the famous Kirkland bar, which I'm sure many of you know about. This one's not sugar-coated, very chalky, very tough soda bar. Feels to me like the typical consistency of protein bars. And yeah, this brand does have that. This is definitely not a chocolate bar, but yes, a protein bar feel to them. They're chewy not in a melt in your mouth way, but the consistency isn't bad, and I do feel satiated after them. But this one is much more bang for your buck. I mean, Kirkland Costco products always are. But if you want that extra chocolatey coating effect, these are good. And this you can see here has a very similar macro breakdown here. So I find that if the bar has more protein, I'm less likely to crave sugars anyway, so it works. If I were buying these for the first time again, I'd do exactly what I did, which is buy a box of each of them. That worked out well for me, and I enjoy them. Recommend.